Mbunge wa Ekuru kaunti-ini ya Meru Kawîra MWANGAZA na amenerete DCC wa South IMENTI akiuga ati nagutumirwa kurua nawe giciaca. Kawîra aruga bisa uju na arambita kwithwa akimurigiria kugita muchemanio jwa ntere cia mbeti ireri mitungu ntubra DCC uju akanukitie bunene. DCC uju aruga ntere cia mbeti na arantu boragi mwambirio nejo mwaka juju itena okarie bokung'ana na aranande akuga uria ukwenda gwita michemanio ntere uno mwanka amenyithie UCS. Aruga nkuruki Kawîra arendaga kugita muchemanio jwa kienini gia skuru na nikao gitumi kimwe kiawe kurega muchemanio juu. Kawîra nande aruga ati abisa uju neka gutumirwa ni asiasa kurwa nawe giciaca na kuonjia kampeni ciawe taura mutugikare agutwira.
Akiaria mubunge wa Ekuru Kawîra MWANGAZA uria ukurira giti kia ungavana aja kaunti ya Meru kiri kiuthurano kiawe kia giciaca nturene ya mbeti mitungu gicigo mbunge ya South IMENTI na ugite DCC wa gicigo mbunge iki na ringite thimu kumugiria kuthithia kiuthurano nturene ija akiuga neri kuri na ndwa na aria Kawîra aditite mukana kiria atongiria babokaria akiuga we gutoka mugiria kuthiurunka kaunti ya Meru na we DCC uju mirime inana ugite no kamukanite kuthithia kiuthurano kiri skuru ya Beti Primary.
Mfanya kamurandi hapa Beti. Bwana asifiwe sana. DCC walipiga simu wakasema ya kwamba nisikanyange hapa kuna vita. Wa South IMENTI. Nauliza wananchi wa area hii, kuna insecurity hapa? Kuna vita hapa? Kuna vita hapa? Kwa sababu hii anataka kutangazia viongozi ambao wanatumika vibaya na kisiasa. Hakuna mtu mtazuia kutembea Meru County.
To reschedule her program from visiting the school because the school were running, and that is it. That was my advice, and I think then they proceeded to do the political meeting outside the school. I'm happy that the meeting never happened in the school because we cannot allow that under very strict guidelines from the Ministry of Education.
Kiria nandi Kawîra uritie DCC uju kethira na kwenda gutonya siasene na itekero ni kia thirikari bakabane kienine na we DCC uju agikanukia aria aja gutigirwo karia bwakari ba South IMENTI ni bukung'ana na tikuringa siasa. Nteto iri igwati mbaru ni Fred Dungo uria ni county commissioner akiuga mutongiria wonde na arite ngugi yawe.
Na kama DCC anataka kuingia kwa siasa, toa kirauni ya serikali, ingia kwa siasa, tupambane kwa kiti ya ugavana.
We are not politicians. We are here to offer security to our people, devoid of any political interference, and we will not relent, especially where we feel we need to protect the lives of our people.
Wanasiasa wote, wakati tunafanya campaign na kutafuta kura, jambo la kwanza tuheshimiane. Kila mtu afanye kazi yake na muache yule mwingine kufanya kazi yake. Tusichokozane. Na pia tusizushiane mambo ambayo hayana misingi.
DCC na county commissioner bakiuga miankene ya Meru ni balitite mukana guti musiasa bati kuthithia kiuthurano na kethira kuri na micemanio na no mwanka bamithithia babati kuringa riboti mbere kiri UCS wetura riu. Bakiuga musiasa oro karia kuthingatira matagare jau akajukirwo matagare ja kiwatho.
They need to report to the nearest police station. Then the OCS must be notified that there is a political meeting that is to happen in any of the areas. Why? Because we need to monitor the situation even as the political rallies are going on. And that is the government stand even as at now.
No activities in the disputed areas. Iwe ya watu kutoka Tharaka na iwe watu kutoka Meru. Wachaneni na hizo disputed areas mpaka wakati zitakuwa zimesuluhishwa kisawasawa.
So we are cautioning the leaders actually, the kind of utterances that they make in those areas. They need to be very careful.
Mwanasiasa yote atakayeenda kinyume cha code of conduct ile ya IBC ataonea hiyo kura kwa vio sasa. So you better be taking care of your conduct na sana mambo ya usalama.
Nkiripotera nteto cia Weru Juma, rekwa ritwa ni Mutugi Kare.